Hey everyone, you ever seen a harsh mixer like this in action? Maybe you have one on your farm or in your feedlot? Well, guess what? Today we're going to go to the lab, we're going to make one. We're going to make it even cooler than this so you can have one on your model farm. Let's get to work.
All right, first things first, we need a mixer body. Then you're going to need a few tools. Finally, a Greenlight IH4400 like this one. The mixer body comes with the chute wired to the inside of the body and needs to be separated. A flat side cutter works great for this purpose. Attach the chute to the body, sand hinge points if needed so they slide together easy, and then insert the styrene rod to attach the chute to the body. Use a small bit of glue on the end of the chute and the rod. Cut any excess off and then add a small spot of glue to the other end of the chute and the rod. The augers are wired together and will need to be painted or separated. I like to use flat or matte black on the augers, but you can use any color of choice. Separate the augers with your flat side cutters. I like to add a little bit of glue where the augers rest in the chute, and then add the augers. Test fit the augers to the inside of the body. Sand the ends if needed to ensure an easy fit. Optional water slide decals are in the kit and can be applied as shown. Remove the truck from the clamshell and remove the body from the frame. There are 3 screws that hold the body to the frame. Use your Dremel or saw and cut the excess frame off behind the rear mud flaps. I'm using lacquer thinner on a Q-tip to remove the Goodyear logos. Acetone or fingernail polish can also be used and works really well. Once the truck is prepared, dry fit the body to the frame. The rails on this frame are narrow, so just be aware of that. I like to use glue on top of the rails and as close to the inside of the frame as possible so I do not see any from the outside. Join the feed box and truck. Eyeball both parts to make sure that they're square. When you're confident both parts are square, use Instaset to speed up the curing process. This is not mandatory, it's purely optional. In 30 to 40 seconds, the parts should be cured where they will not move if you touch them. When the glue is fully cured, you can use a paint pen or magic marker to cover any places where there were wires that held parts together. Now your feed truck is ready for your layout or shelf. Go make something awesome.